Hi everyone, so happy you're here. Today I want to show you how I pack my family beach bag. I have this insulated beach bag, but what I love is the zipper that keeps everything inside. In the small pocket inside I have a trash bag. Then I'm going to add my hooded towels for the kids. This packing cubes with cover up, so I have for my daughter and I. This second packing cube has water shoes for all of us, as well as sun hats. I will link them below. They're so soft and they pack easily. Here I have our sunglasses. I have the waterproof phone cases for my husband and I, drink sleeve, beach towel clips, and kids activities just in case. In this pouch I keep my kids' goggles, portable fan, portable phone charger, and stretchable wipes. Some extra Ziploc bags. This next pouch is my favorite of all, and it brings all my must-haves. So I have the Solar Body sunscreen applicator, Tangle Teaser hairbrush, the Tangle and Heat Protector hairspray. I love this lotion spray sunscreen, Chafing Relief Balm, Face and Body sunscreen stick. This is another favorite detangling spray, aloe spray, and then SPF lip balm, liquid IV. This is a sand remover. It has baby powder inside. Some extra hair ties. You've probably seen this in a lot of my videos, my favorite first aid kit, a snack pouch, very important, an extra bag for wet items or trash, and of course extra clothes in a wet bag. This snack pouch I forgot to share with you guys in my other packing video, but it keeps all the snack for other trips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.